All right, I'm going to share my screen. I'll share my screen. All right, I repeat again. In order for me to be able to select this thing perfectly well, I need to use my background eraser, which is this one, and then sample it one time, and then continues. And we continues to erase it. All right, there we go. I'll remove all of that. I'll remove all of that. If you're not hearing me, please draw my attention, please. I need to know if you are audible enough. Please make sure you turn on your mic and all of that stuff. Okay, everybody? So what we have done, we have managed to remove that background beautifully. So the next thing we are going to do is to go under the select tool, load the selection, and go back to edit, copy it. Create a new document. This time, I'm going to go wider and paste. Okay. Okay, what happened? Because the window is bigger, the image is big, so I need to make it small. How do I scale it? You go under the edit, transform, and scale. You hold down your shift key, you pull it, and we pull it until we get the right size. Okay. All right, let's do something again. All right, I'm sorry about that. What I did before, I created a document, but I was not able to get rid of the background layers. So I had to create a new background. In this one, I managed to hide this background here. Okay? Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I need everyone to turn on their mic because it has to, we need to interact. If I'm not coming loud enough, I want you to communicate. All right, there we go. Now, what we did was we made a selection, but again, this is not a finished one. So we go again straight to Burn tool. Burn tool in the photographics, it means that it make it darker, or it burn. When something burn, it look what? Dark, right? So we go on, we select the burn tool, and then start to apply at the edge. See what's happening? Is making it darker. You have to be careful how you use it. We go again. You tend to lift up anything. We go again, you see it? That's what you do. You see, it turn that edge slightly darker. Whatever it fade, it make it dark, or it lift it up, or it pump it up, or it bring it up. There we go. No, that's it for now. So that's what we have done. We can go ahead. Go to Google. All right. Okay, here we go. We select a large size image. I can pick up that one and copy that. Go back to my Photoshops. This is what you'll be doing if you're going to add as many images as possible. These are the steps. We paste it, edit, paste that. All right. Now, I need to make my beach image to fit on the background. So all I need to do is to go on the edit, transform, and scale. Extend end, those things. Press enter. What really happened here? The beach has covered the subject. So I need to send it to the back. So to do it, I need my layers, which is this one here. And then move it all the way to the back. I have my subject. Now, from here, if you take a closer look, you see how everything blend? You see how every single thing blend neat and nice. So in that case, with these steps here, you should be able to do anything with it. I repeat, with these steps here, you are good. Now, what I want you guys to do for this week, basically, following the same steps. All these steps, we looked at our tools, we talked about it. You can take time, study it, and then the tools that we have used now for this demonstration, they are all here. All the tools that we have used in this exercise that we did, they are all here with all the steps. Now, you need to understand about the Photoshop. How did it start? You have questions, you have to ask them here. You have to post a question. If you're not active, you will not be able to, the system will not grant you through because everyone is signing and these are the conditions which are set. You have to go within that. How to set the workspace. This is what we started with. The very beginning, how to organize our desktop. And then we take a look at that, all of those kind of stuff. Open discussion. See? You have to throw in, I need to see participation and activities. I know that some of you have a lot of work to do. You have to go through all of that. And the activities that we did just now is basically these activities here. Are we clear? The activity that I just did, this one here, it is the same. These are the same steps that we did. So again, we can ask more questions. We can add text, and all of those kind of stuff. That's for this week. So I'm going to stop my screen sharing.
Oh, you were not screen sharing.
You're not screen sharing? How come? Oh, man.
Yeah.
No, but I think we understand what you mean.
No, oh, man. Let me share. That's why we need to. All right. Here, what we. I'm sorry. This is the week here. We need. We talked about the tools. All the tools we did know this morning. How it works on a practical, these are the video that I created. All of it, it covered the steps. The little about the history, the forum, and how to set. You need to go through all of this thing here. Do something, because all the time I can see who is doing what and who is not doing what. How to remove a background, the thing that we did, this is another example altogether. It's supposed to put you on a safe spot when you do it. And all of this activity that we did just now, this one is basically is covered here. So nothing difficult, nothing too much. Is basically for you to understand the tools and be able to apply them. All right. So back to you guys now. Is there any question? Can you all turn on your any question, any concern? Apart from that, we have demonstrated everything. Hello? We need to communicate, people. I need the dialogue. You have to turn on back your microphone, turn it on, and then we need to hello?
Well, I understand so far, you know me, understand. So.
Good. Tamara, turn on your.
Hi everyone, morning.
Good.
Yes, I do understand somewhat. Only issue I'm having for myself in terms of personal is to actually get the practice, because what I have is a Chromebook, right?
That's the problem. That's the big problem. Probably you need to invest into something else. All right.
Yeah.
Because you're getting the best that you can. All right. Is there any other question? Everybody decided not to log in. I mean, to turn on their mic and on whatever. So in that case, we come to on the end of our second week session. I hope you guys follow it. All right.
Thanks, Peter.
Thank you, everybody.
All right, Mr. Omar.
Some people never came back again in the second. All right. Thank you. You'll get the video on question.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye. See you again.
Bye.